flexible hip joints. So they're very, very good runners across land. And Marley can outrun you for a distance of about 30 or 40 metres across sand. So if you go and see these guys out in the wild, please just enjoy them from afar, because you don't want to get between Marley and his girlfriend, because he will outrun you every single time.
Yeah.
Thank you. He was loving that.
Okay, nice.
Well, that's all right.